There's a young manager who works in an office near the station. On most days, she goes to the same small restaurant for lunch. She knows the menu well. She almost always orders the chicken set. One day, she walks in and sees a handwritten sign near the door. The restaurant has a new menu. She looks for the chicken set. It is not there anymore. She reads the new menu slowly. There are dishes she has never seen before. One dish has a name she doesn't know. It comes with roasted vegetables and a dark sauce. She is not sure about it, but the woman at the counter is waiting. "I'll have this one," she says. She points to the new dish. She finds her usual seat by the window and sits down. People walk past outside. She watches them and waits. A small part of her wants to go back and change the order, but she stays in her seat. The food arrives quickly. It looks different from what she imagined. The sauce is thick and dark. There is a grain she doesn't recognize. She picks up her chopsticks and takes a small first bite. The flavor is rich and warm. It is nothing like the chicken set. She takes another bite, and then another. She is not looking out the window anymore. She is focused on her plate. She eats everything. Then she picks up the last of the sauce with a small piece of bread. She sits quietly when she is done. The restaurant is noisy and full around her. She looks at the menu again. She reads the name of the new dish carefully. She wants to remember it. She puts on her coat and goes back to work. The afternoon is long. There are meetings and emails, but she keeps thinking about that sauce. She already knows what she'll order next time.